this lesson, we will have a look at the basics in the Canva editor. To get started, we need to create an empty workspace, and we can do that by going to Custom Dimensions. For this exercise, it's best if we choose a square. I'm just going for the resolution 2000 by 2000 pixels. Alright, now we are in the Canva editor. It's important that you learn how to align and position stuff in Canva. First, you want to click on Elements, and then scroll down to Shapes. Now you need to select this circle right here. You can either do that by holding your mouse and dragging it in. Alternatively, you can also just click on it. If you move the object around, you can see these purple alignment lines. They help you to correctly position objects and elements. When they form a cross, you can be sure that your element is 100% centered in the middle. Once your element is in the correct position, it will also lock in. All that means is that you need to move your mouse a little bit harder to reposition the element again. Alright, let's now suppose that we would like to have our circle in the left bottom corner. And of course, for that we need to make our circle smaller first. We can simply do that by clicking on the element and then clicking on one of the 4 corner points. Now all you need to do is drag inwards. If you don't click on one of the corners, but instead you click on one of the 4 side points, you will change the shape of your element. Alright, so let's size it down and put it in the left bottom corner. And also here, the alignment lines will help you to position the circle perfectly in the corner. Great, so now we would like to have one of these circles in every single corner. The easiest way to do this is to simply copy the circle. For that, just select the element and then click on Copy up here. Alternatively, you can also click Ctrl+C to copy the object, or Command+C if you're on a Mac, and then Ctrl+V to paste the object. Now we could of course copy this again and put it up here, and copy this again and put it up here. But we want to use Canva in a very intuitive way. So the better way to do this is to simply hold your mouse down and draw this rectangle over these 2 circles. Now they are both selected and you can copy them once and put them up here. At the end, maybe we would like to have a square in the middle. And since you now know how it works, simply select a square, use the alignment lines to position it, and that's it. Awesome, now you know how alignment and positioning works in Canva. You already made it through the hardest part. In the next lecture, we will learn how to change colors, so stay tuned for that.